In this video, I will be showing you how to use custom instructions in ChatGPT. Let's get started. I began on the ChatGPT homepage. First, I move my cursor down to the bottom left corner and click on my profile icon. This action opens a pop-up menu where I select the personalization option. A settings menu appears on the screen, automatically displaying the personalization tab. Inside this panel, I scroll down to look at the different settings until I find the custom instructions section. I click directly into the text box underneath it. Here, I paste in my preferred guidelines for how I want the AI to respond. After making these changes, I move my cursor over to the left side of the window and click the X icon to close out of the personalization menu. Now I am back on the main interface. I click into the main search bar at the center of the screen and type out a detailed prompt asking for recommendations on a high-income skill. White is a good choice, and a 30-day learning plan. Once the text is fully typed, I click the up arrow icon on the right side of the bar to send the prompt. The AI takes a moment to process the request, indicating that it is personalizing the response based on the new custom instructions I just set. Soon, it generates a comprehensive plan tailored to my new settings. I scroll down through the response to read the structured advice, noting how the output specifically matches the practical tone and direct format I requested. I continue scrolling down, reviewing the detailed weekly breakdown, daily tasks, and specific project examples provided in the 30-day plan. I also review the outreach strategies, pricing guidance, and key performance indicators suggested by the AI. Next, I click back into the text box at the bottom of the page to ask a follow-up question. I type a request for a detailed 90-day roadmap based on the business idea recommended above, complete with weekly milestones, tools, estimated costs, and measurable goals. Once typed, I click the up arrow button again to send it. The screen updates as ChatGPT processes this new input. It generates a detailed 90-day roadmap tailored directly to my specified preferences. I scroll down through the fresh output, checking the target outcomes, weekly fundamental blocks, tool recommendations, and the structured outline for the subsequent months. I carefully review the entire comprehensive guide right down to the final advice sections to ensure it has captured all my custom requirements perfectly. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.